Hi everyone. If you have a Mac device which supports Apple Intelligence but you don't know how to activate it, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you about ways by which you can simply activate AI or Apple Intelligence in your Mac. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply go to System Settings, which you can find in Dock. Once you go to System Settings, go to General Option and go to Software Update, and make sure that your Mac is updated to macOS Sequoia 15.4, which is the latest update. Now, after this update, all you have to do is just go back and again, on the General page, go down, look for Language and Region, and in that, if you are in United States, make sure that your preferred language is set to English US. That should be your primary language. And also make sure that the region is selected to United States, if your primary language is English US. Now, apart from this, Apple has recently added 8 new languages, and those are French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and Chinese. So yeah, these languages also support Apple Intelligence now. So if you are from any other region, you can select those languages. And apart from that again, they have also added English variants like English, Singapore, and English India. Suppose that if you want to add English India as your primary language, you can select English, India, or Singapore over here. And after that, make sure to change the region. So if you have selected English India, then go to Region, then Asia, and then select India option over here. So yeah, make sure that the primary language and the region is same. Now after this, you'll be able to see the option of Apple Intelligence. So then just go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure this toggle is on. But before that, if you go down, look for languages. Now if your main language is selected to English US, make sure to select the same language over here. If you have selected any other language like Chinese, French, or German, make sure to select that particular language over here. So these are the basic settings you need to do in order to activate Apple Intelligence. Once you turn on this, toggle for Apple Intelligence, it won't activate directly. All you have to do is make sure that your Mac is connected to a Wi-Fi network. And apart from that, make sure to connect the charger to your Mac. So once your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi and charger, after that it'll start downloading support files which are needed for Apple Intelligence. And once it is done, you can start using Apple Intelligence. So these are the basic things you need to keep in mind to completely activate Apple Intelligence. Now, what all features you get after, once the Apple Intelligence is activated? First of all, you get Image Playground option, so you'll find this application in your Mac. Once you activate Apple Intelligence and you can just open it. This is the initial page where you can use your imagination, you can customize your image with suggested themes, cost you accessories. So these are some basic information. You can check it out once you select Continue option. Now let's say if you want to create an image of a dog with cape, just press Enter. Now you have given an input and based on that, it will try to create an image, and not only one image, it'll try to create multiple images. Once you create an image, you can also change the styles like in Style. If you go to Style option, over here you get Animation, Illustration, and Sketch option as well. Now, I have already made a dedicated video on Apple Intelligence, so you can go in description and check out the link for that. So yeah, you can also use some themes over here. You have top hat, baseball cap, and hard hat. If you want to add multiple things, you can just simply tap on Show More, and you can check out themes as well. So it can be adventure, birthday, disco, fantasy, fireworks. There are multiple themes. Just go and check out my video for Apple Intelligence. Now apart from that, you do get a new Siri option as well. Now you can see the Siri logo has changed if you have activated Apple Intelligence. But to add Siri's to manual, all you have to do is for that, just simply go to System Settings once again and go down and look for Control Center option. Now, once you get Control Center again, go down. And you'll get an option of menu bar only in that you'll get an option of Siri. So make sure it is set to show in menu bar. Because only after that you will be able to check out the new Siri logo over here on the menu bar, and you can start using it. Now this is a new Siri. Now there is again a charge integration option if you want to use that with Siri. And for that, again you can just simply go to Apple Intelligence page. Go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and go down and look for ChatGPT option over here. So select ChatGPT. You can set it up if you want to. And there is a set prompt over here that you can just simply, it says that allows Siri to suggest ChatGPT when you make a request that requires it. So if you ask anything to Sir, and if that is not possible for Siri to find an answer for, it'll ask permission from you that can I access ChargeGP or anything else like that. So yeah, if you want to use ChatGPT with Siri, you have that option as well. After activating Apple Intelligence, now there is Genmoji option. If you want to create emoji based on input, you have that option. You also get writing tools. So yeah, again, multiple things over there. Just go and check out my video related to Apple Intelligence. I have explained each and everything over there. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. These are the ways by which you can simply activate Apple Intelligence, and you can start using its features. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.